guys. It's kind of too late now. Oh, wait, I bitched me a message. You didn't know that? I thought she did that as a message. I thought. Yeah. I said now we wait. I told you. I said. It's your fault. We got that here. Alright, well, you better play that shit isn't going, I guess. What are you talking about? I think it's too late now. I think it's. Oh, no, one hand missing. Oh, no, that's one. I'm sorry. And we gotta touch that one. Jonathan, you actually, please. I need minis. You took the minis. Wait. Nitro. Bang. Nice. 150, crack. Yeah, nice. Back in here. Nice on. It's fun. There's more. Mine. I got you. Bottom. No. Not on. Jonathan, I have 20 HP and I'm fighting someone. Right hand. Got him. Oh my god, man. Push hands. Yeah, I kind of already asked him that. It's been like it. He's been a while, man. It's been but you'll be fine. Yeah, it's not my tongue. Right, get right here. I have 28 treats. Guys, kind of a car coming. Guys. Guys. Sorry, what did I do to deserve this? I'm out. Yeah, battle boss, I need to heal. Cactus. The roots. Alright, fight it. approximately 16 feet. When you got it, the box now. Heels, Jonathan. Heels. No, I asked her what she was doing. I asked her. You stick it. I have an extra. Oh, come on. That was kind of a waste. I don't know why it's fine. Alright, kids here. Ready? Go. Yeah. Get hit by it, Stop. Jonathan, stop. It killed me? How did it kill me? Edit down. Nice. Edit down. You think I'm still there? I'm gonna take the fist. As well. Correct? God. And you got 7 kills already. You got 7 kills already. Oh, that way. Let's go.
Today to join us for today's national race here in Del Sol. Let's take a look at the starting grid.
Got it. Oh, I go with it. that way. Got it. Is that Goku? Oh, wait. Okay. Car. Wait, run into the surveillance. Never mind. Wait. Let's go. Wait, stand here with us. Here. I'm trying to just get out. Work? In and out. It didn't do anything. You got any RPG ammo? RPG ammo? Oh, I see him. Here. I got something. Knocked one. Oh god, I knocked him. Yeah. National fist. We use nitrous, you can run into the wall.